Hello everyone, now I'm going to start question number 1 of exercise 2.2. Now in this question we have, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Now here it is said that if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number means here number is not given. So we will have to consider the number. Let the number be x. Now, it is said that if you subtract half from a number, now number we have considered which is x. Now, if we subtract half from this number, that means from x, if we subtract number we have considered as x, and here it is said that subtract half from a number means x here. So 1 by 2 is subtracted from x and multiply the result by half. Multiply the result means after subtraction whatever you will get, you will have to multiply half with this and you get 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means this is the answer. So it will be equal to 1 by 8. So that means we have subtracted half from a number x and the result means the after subtraction will be multiplied, the result will be multiplied by half. That's why I have written half is multiplied by whole thing. You get means equals to 1 by 8. Now we will solve this equation to find the number which is x. Here we will write ATQ means according to the question. Now this implies sign. Now at first we will transport 1 by 2 on another side. So here, because 1 by 2 is as I said in the earlier questions, like here if it is fraction, if fraction is given and if we just transport the fraction to another side, we will have to write the reciprocal of that. That means these will remain same. So x by 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2 is on the left hand side and the right hand side 1 by 8 is there. Now we are transporting 1 by 2 to another side. So it will be reciprocal of 1 by 2 means 1 will come down and 2 will go up. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So we have got x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. Here in the numerator 1 is there and in the denominator 4 into 1 4. Now so x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. Now we will transport 1 by 2 on another side, and since this is having negative sign, so after transporting it, it will be positive. So 1 by 4 at first we will write because this is there on the right hand side. Now we will put 1 by 2. Now we will have to find the LCM of 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. That means we have got 2 into 2, 4. 4 is the LCM. So we will write 4. Now these and these will be divided, means LCM will be divided by the denominator. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now 1 should be multiplied with the numerator. So 1 into 1, 1. Now plus sign. So we will put plus sign. Now 4 divided by 2 again. So 4 divided by the denominator. So we will get 2. Now this 2 will be multiplied by the numerator. So 2 into 1 is 2. Now 1 plus 2 is 3 by 4. So the number is 3 by 4. So we will write the answer. The required number is 3 by 4. Now in the next question we have the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Suppose this is the swimming pool which is in rectangular shape. Okay, this is swimming pool. Now it is said that the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Perimeter means the boundary. Means if you measure the boundary, then we will get 154 meter. Okay. Now its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. what are the length and breadth of the pool. You will have to find the dimensions. Okay, so here at first it is said that length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice means two times of its breadth. That means whatever be the length of breadth, length will be twice of breadth. So here we will consider the breadth at first. So let the breadth be x meter. Now it is said that length is twice its breadth, means double of the breadth. So length will be twice means 2 times the breadth. So breadth we have considered as x. So twice its breadth means 2x. Then it is said that 2 meter more. More means we will have to plus. So length we have got 2x plus 2 meter. Now we will have to find the length and breadth of the pool. Now we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Now it is said that perimeter of a rectangular pool is 154 meters. So we can write that perimeter is 154. Now perimeter we know that 2 into length plus breadth. So in place of perimeter we can write 2 into length plus breadth, which is equals to 154. Now length, this is length. So so here you can mention this is L, and here you can mention this is B, breadth. So in place of length we can write 2x plus 2. This is length. And in place of breadth we can write x, because we have considered breadth as x meter, is equals to 154. Now these and these are like term. So 2x plus x is 3x plus 2 is equals to 154. Now at first we will transpose 2. 2 is multiplied by the by whole thing, means this is one factor. So 2 is multiplied by this. So at first we will remove 2 on another side. So that means 3x plus 2 will remain in left hand side, and here 154 on the right hand side, and 2 will be divided because we are taking from left hand side to right hand side. So it will be, since it is given in multiplication form, so it will be division after changing the side. Now 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 15 minus 4, so it will be 77. So 3x plus 2 is equals to 77. Now as you know that at first we will transpose 2, means if there is plus or minus, at first we will transpose that, and then we will do this one which is given in multiplication form. So 3x will remain same, and we will just subtract 2 from 77. So we will get 75. Now 3x means 3 is multiplied by x. So x will be 75 divided by 3. So 3 25s are 75. So we have got 25 meter. Now see here we have considered breadth as x meter, which we have got 25 meter. That means therefore breadth will be 25 meter. Now we will have to find length, which we have considered 2x plus 2. So length will be 2x, x here is 2x plus 2. Now 2x means 2 is multiplied by x. So here we have got the value of x, which is 25. So we will put 25 in place of x. Then plus 2 meter. So 25 into 2, 50. 50 plus 2 is 52 meter. So in this way we will solve number 2.